The biggest issue for any film and game composer is how can I achieve this fat, broad and epic orchestral sound? Why does it sound so believable when the pros do it in movies, TV shows and games? I have to say it's a long journey, a lot experimentation, and you have to invest some money. I myself, I'm walking this path and I can share my insights with you. There are tricks everybody can do, optimizing their output massively. This is the first episode in a 6-part series of videos covering different aspects of the topic. I will share the links to the other videos in the description. Every week another episode will come up, so make sure to check them out all. Before I jump right into it, please hit the like and the subscribe button. So let's check it out. Again, it's about listening. If you want to create a sound, you should know how it sounds like, right? I cannot stress enough how important it is to develop a feeling for sounds and orchestration, moods, colors, movements, interaction and morphology of different sounds. An orchestra is like a huge organic machine and we want to learn how to handle it. And there are so many ways to do it. We want to listen and also study musical scores. Dig your way through orchestral repertoire. Start with Baroque concertos. Explore Bach and Handel, Vivaldi and Monteverdi. Make sure to cover Beethoven's symphonies, tackle Schubert, lend your ear to Berlioz and Bruckner, Mahler and Strauss. Not to mention there are many more interesting composers being regularly performed by orchestras, and most probably also in your city. So well, we hope this is going on for a while before cultural budgets are cut down completely. So check out the 20th century and also the contemporary composers, to name a few. Stravinsky, Rachmaninoff, Ives, Holst, Ligeti, Glass, Feldman, Grisey, Williams, Zimmer. The list is endless, you name it. Try to discover unique sounds. Find out how they use tension. When things get moving, who is staying calm, what stabilizes a piece, what brings nervosity, how do woodwinds interact with brass and with strings, what is the job of percussions throughout the centuries. Music indeed get more and more noisy, and the boundaries of tonality were once set up many 100 years ago and soon bent and crippled. I suggest diving into 20th century avant-garde music. This has many reasons. First, it is an amazing journey you are about to embark on. And secondly, you discover before unheard sounds and concepts, and your sonic horizon will expand incredibly. Thirdly, you lose any fear of the unknown, and fourthly, your sonic imagination and thus your music and your magic will change forever. Although many of the experiments modern composers undertook since World War II seem disturbing and hard to incorporate into film and game music, but they never wanted to please an audience. Their rebel attitude was focused on art and true exploration of new sonic lands. I loved it, having understood John Cage's ideas of nothingness, and having heard the depth of Ligeti's microtonal choir compositions, having experienced the meditative deepness of Giacinto Scelsi's string quartets, having dreamt to Salvatore Sciarrino's Renaissance repaintings, having grooved with Bernhard Lang's ever-morphing loops, having flown around the sun with Morten Feldman's prescription of light into music, having traveled the abyss of human psyche with Strauss and Ligeti, Having lost myself in the intricate textures of Brian Ferneyhough and Pierre Boulez, having breath with Karl-Heinz Stockhausen's tape pieces and Pierre Schaeffer's early electronic endeavors, having sweat with Igor Stravinsky and shed tears with Luigi Nono, and split my musical brain into 2 or 4 with Charles Ives. That's it for this episode. Make sure to check out the other parts where I will cover the technical aspects. Hit the subscribe and drop me a like. Have a good one and happy producing. Bye bye.